Photography has died 4 times during my career. First one was film to digital. That was a big thing. That was really big. Second was cell phones. Everybody's a photographer with a cell phone. Still are. Just ask them. And third, social media, because social media had so much influence on photography that it changed the whole structure. Everybody was doing it. And then we have AI, which AI is a whole different thing in itself. Should you fear it? No. Let me tell you why. Hey, look, I get it. You're probably afraid of AI. A lot of people are. In the beginning, I was kind of skeptical. I was kind of afraid myself. But in reality, AI is here to stay and it's not going to go anywhere. AI cannot replace the human touch. What it does do, it does very well. It can retouch a picture quickly. You can do 10 pictures retouched in a matter of a couple minutes, whereas it would take 15, 20, 30 minutes to retouch images before. It does it lightning fast, and it replaces backgrounds. You can swap out a background. It selects things. It masks things. It does things like that for us very, very well, very quick and very efficient. And most of the time, you're not going to do it any better than yourself than that is. It's amazing. That's what I like about AI. What it cannot replace is the human touch, is the reasoning. Walk into a scene, walk into a photograph setup. AI is not going to say, hey, Joe, once you move that light about 4 feet over here, and then kick the power up about 25%, and then that background light, move it over slightly to the left, maybe about 1.5 feet, and then tip it down, and then turn it up with just a little bit more power. It ain't gonna do that. It's not going to be able to reason to do that. That's where we shine, folks. It's not gonna go into a wedding or a bat mitzvah or bar mitzvah and start photographing unless it's like, you see that at BJ's, a thing walk around, it's taking counts off of a shelf, but it's not going to go into some place and photograph their events for them. It's not going to tell them to move over here. Hey, you know what? I can't really see you over here. Can you move over this way a little bit? It's not going to replace that. It's not going to replace the food photographer that is putting stuff on the tables, that's setting it up, that's lighting it right. Yes, it can generate food pictures and it can do a really cool job, but in the reality, that is not that person's food. It's not the restaurant's food. There's a pride in doing something that is done correctly. You can make counterfeit money and pass it off sometimes. I've never tried it, don't get me wrong, but you can, but it's not the same as working with the client, helping their business grow. Like if I'm going to go into a restaurant to shoot, I shoot their foods, or if they're having entertainment, whatever they're having, then I promote that all over on social media because I want to see them succeed. They want to see me succeed. I want to see them succeed. AI doesn't have any idea of what any of that means. It's a bot that is very knowledgeable from other stuff. And it's very quick on its response. It's amazingly fast. And it does stuff well, but it will never, ever replace a photographer. It's not going to do it. Now, it will replace, and I say this because it will replace a mediocre photographer, somebody that's heart is not in it, somebody that doesn't really care what's going on. Somebody else is going to come in that has little knowledge but relies on AI to help them, but really wants to have their own business and grow. It's going to just put you in the dust. We as photographers, creative people, have to be on the ball. We have to answer. We have to respect. We have to know when to respect. We have to know when to respect ourselves. We have to know what to say, what not to say, what to shoot, what not to shoot, how to light, where not to light. You get the idea. AI cannot do that for us. It's not going to. But I love it. Jonathan came in yesterday. I've been shooting real estate pictures for his brother for about 6 years. Very successful family. Jonathan has his own business. He has a cabinet and kitchen business. And he also is a marketing director for large furniture, USA furniture company. So he's got everything together, but he said, Joe, I do not like my pictures. I don't like myself. I'm very self-critical. And I just want to come in and get something done, and I need some new stuff for websites and social media, LinkedIn, and that type of thing. So we had that conversation. It was really good. He came in, and we joked. We had some fun. I shot him against the background, just a plain wall. And I said, you know what? We're going to just do whatever background you want, we're going to put it in, okay? We're going to do that with great AI and Photoshop. We're going to just say, hey, I'm thankful I'm able to do this. I told him, I said, you know what? You want an office setting? Do you want skyline? Whatever you want. Well, we did some office settings, some like attorney stuff and that type of, just little stuff, you know, just really cool skyscraper, office buildings, glass all around. And I had to redo it 3 or 4 times because it didn't always get it right. But the results were phenomenal. But he texted me today and he said, man, he said, I'm very critical, but I absolutely love these. And my girlfriend thinks these are the bomb. And he said, I am so happy with these because I reached out. I wanted to see if he was happy. If he wasn't, do we want to retake them? He's like, I love these. And to me, your AI is not going to get that. AI didn't take his pictures. AI didn't have that conversation with him. AI didn't joke with him. AI didn't make him feel comfortable in front of the camera. I did. There's a difference. So quit fearing. Use it for your advantage. Use it so you can cut your time sitting behind a stupid computer screen, retouching people's pictures, adding backgrounds. Use your time for something more fun and constructive and playful, and you're spending it with your family, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, dogs, whatever. Take that time and don't even bother with the computer. Why would you want to? To say, like my ego, well, I did this and they didn't do it. Well, good for you. I am very happy. But it ain't going to stay that way. You're going to get buried. So use it to your advantage. I know I am. So my question is, are you afraid of it? Are you embracing it like me? Or are you just about ready to walk away from everything? You know, when I got into the digital realm, early 2000s, there was a lot of photographers that said they weren't going to go that route. They were sticking with film. Digital was not going to stay. Guess what? Yeah, it stayed. And it got better and better. Every year it gets better. Now I think the cameras, you're not going to get a whole lot better at all. But the point is, they had a closed mind and they said it's not going to get any better. And they went out of business because they refused to change. So I am staying in business because I love what I do and I want to value my time more. So I'm learning more. The time I would spend behind this computer, I learn stuff. I learn how to do videos. I learn different lighting techniques. I learn self-help, everything, okay? That's what I do, so I enjoy that. And I'm just thankful that I'm able to do it. And hopefully you guys are on the same page. And if I've helped you in any way, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Because sometimes I've been wondering, and it's not for sympathy, it's not for anything, but if these videos are even doing any good. I did them because I just wanted to do them, but it takes so much time. It does take time to do. Editing, it still takes time. So I don't know, sometimes I think I should just walk away from it just because and just take this time and increase my knowledge on something else. And I don't know. But if I've helped you in any way, just, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like. I appreciate you guys who do tune in. I'm thankful. And I will see you on that next video. Thanks.